Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a new video for you this week. This is something of a productivity tip. Hopefully this can benefit the fellow freelancers out there, as well as students, or pretty much anyone who works outside of an office and would like to be more productive with their work hours. Okay, so that's me. For many years, I worked alone from my apartment. I enjoyed getting to listen to my music and podcasts out loud while I worked. I enjoyed working in my underwear. Overall, I was pretty productive working from home. After a few years of doing this, however, the isolation started to get to me. Because I had no separation between my workspace and my living space, it became harder for me to maintain any kind of balance. This started to take a toll on my creativity and general output. You see, working from home can be really great. It definitely has its benefits, but I found that when I've spent too much time in my cave, so to speak, I can easily get a bit down and frustrated with what I'm working on. When this happens, I'm more prone to being distracted by anything other than what I'm working on. I started to realize I needed a better way of working. I needed to shake things up a bit. I've always thought it was pretty cool that some artists work from studios that they share with other studio mates. A part of that always appealed to me. However, I don't need the extra rent bill every month. So I decided to see where else I might be able to work. I found some pretty cool cafes and co-working spaces in my city, and since I work digitally, all I needed was a table and a nearby power outlet. After so many years of working in isolation, I wondered if working in public settings would hinder my productivity. I soon found out it was quite the opposite. I actually seemed to get more work done. Instead of being more distracted, I found that being in an environment where other people around me were also working on their own things kind of became contagious. Also, it's pretty cool to be around strangers who are all working on different projects. Sometimes, it even presents the opportunity to connect with someone from a whole different skill set. You never know what kind of cool collaborations that can lead to. As a creative professional, it's very important to have ways to help you get into the zone, and this is something that I found works well for me. Another thing is, there's something important about the commute to and from wherever I'm working that day. I do a lot of my best thinking when I'm walking and when I'm on the train, so that's been great for overall brainstorming and idea generating. Then when I get back home, there's that sense of separation that I was lacking. Now I get to enjoy being home and indulge in some of those things that were distracting me when I was supposed to be working. Anyway, hope this helps as a sort of productivity tip, and I hope you enjoy this little video sequence I put together. Please feel free to comment, subscribe, and share with anyone you feel might benefit from this little tip. Thanks again, and until next time, peace.